Hello everyone, today will be a little bit different than the usual review. I'll take you for a tour of to the company which is probably the most famous or most well-known cafe racer builder in Italy, called South Garage. So let's go. So the company was started in 2012 by Giuseppe Garuzzi and his friends, his three friends. So there are altogether four. They're all guys from Salerno, all bikers. I think they're all ride Triumph Bonneville. This is very nice. And they came here to Italy to build this beautiful company. And you can see today in the reality of the, like a everyday job, which is not anything like a showroom, but it's like a lot of work today, a lot of bikes everywhere. There are unfinished Triumphs. Beautiful BMW, I have to say, this is my favorite. It's really, it's just, like a lot of these bikes, it's quite minimalistic, I would say. Huge, superb attention to detail. The huge quality of seats. By the way, they use all the parts from Italian, manufacturers and small companies who produce Italian leather, and all the Rizoma parts and all the Italian levers, lights and everything, which is nice. Also, what I really respect on their work is the work with the exhaust. They're on every bike. It's the exhaust are beautiful. Another beautiful BMW, as you can see, the 9T, I believe. Again, awesome work with the exhaust. Like this one I would like to ride. Seat, Moto Gadget, of course. Yeah, as you can see, a lot of work here. By the way, all the bikes here are, for the clients. They are either done or they'll be soon. And they don't accept any new, clients until I think September, if I understood correctly. So there's a lot of work here. Awesome. Another Triumph. South Garage. Look at that, it's amazing attention to detail. Oh, look. So it all starts when you come to the company, and you come to the company, and you are going with the guys, the big chart, and you say you will have to show them your direction, what you want to build actually, and then choose the materials, then choose whether you want to do an improvements on suspension or performance of the bike, and then it's all started, So I have this taste, this feeling that I would like to bring my Triumph here and do something about it.